Good morning, everyone. Just wanted to share a few of my quick tips and considerations to take when you're publishing a Google site, a new Google site for the first time. So here's my site that I have ready to go. I want to publish it and share it with people. And everything looks okay to me. I think this document's working, not quite sure. But there's my calendar. You can see them all my agenda events. But after we publish it and you want to share it with people outside of your organization, you need to make sure that everything's published so that all things can be seen. So let's walk through that. First step to take is to publish your site initially. That first time in, this web address, this is the name. The default address for your site is going to be whatever sites.google.com/your school domain / whatever name you give it. So this one I've just called Clint. Nobody else has taken that one, so I am good to go. This is another thing. By default, only people in your organization can view your site. So go to Manage there, and then the published one, anyone can find and view the published version. There we go. Save that one. The draft, only specific people can edit. So there's a difference. When you're working on it, that's one set of rights. When it's published, we want to make sure that anyone can find and view, because this is for your students and for your parents at home. And so they don't have email addresses, your parents don't, for your domain. So we need to make sure we change that. Click Done there. And now it says anyone can view my site. We're good to go. And I will say Publish. Should only take a second. There we go. And so now I have a little drop down next to the Publish button that says, there's my publishing settings, view my published site or unpublish it. So I would like to view my published site. So I click that. It opens up in a new tab. And there's my document that is cray-cray and my agenda and everything else like that. So you think, all right, looks great. I'm good to go. But just remember, since it's a Google document, you are logged into Chrome here, and so you have the rights to see these documents. If I were to take this same address, I'm going to copy that. And I'm going to do a new incognito window. Incognito window. And so this is a window in Chrome that I'm not logged into anything. So I paste that in, and now what do I see? I see frowny faces, unable to connect. And so that's what, when I'm grading your sites and when I look at other Google sites, I just need to make sure that any document you include, any calendars you include are all set so that anyone can view them. So the quick fix for the documents, I'm going to click back in here. Here's my document to make sure that everybody can see it. I can go through the steps of sharing, make it publicly viewable. I'll show you the long way and then the short way. So I'll do this, go to Advanced, and then where it says private here, change that on anyone with the link can view. Let's hit save. And now it says anyone with a link can view. That's what we want. Say done. Calendars are a little bit different story. I can show you that quickly. Here in calendars, let me bring this window down so we can see what's going on. Hover over the calendar name that you want to change. Hit the little snowman icon there. And then settings and sharing. And then on your calendar, access permissions, make available to the public. Okay. And then go back up here. I don't think you have to save anything. Nope. Just go back to your calendar right up there. And so now when I look at my site and I reload the page in that incognito window, there's the calendar, there's the document, and everything looks amazing with everything published, and I don't have any sad-faced icons and broken documents. So those two things, publish your site, and then make sure that all of the documents that you've shared or that you've included onto your site, calendars, documents, slideshows, whatever, make sure all of those are shared so that anyone with a link can view those, and you'll be happy. Thanks.